Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming a snug VGA connection and that the monitor input is set to VGA. Once done, power both devices and right-click the desktop to open display settings. You need to identify which screen is primary versus secondary and note the current resolution value. Make sure to detect displays if the monitor isn't listed, because VGA sometimes fails to auto-negotiate. Now that you see both screens, keep display settings open to change resolution and layout in the next step. You select the VGA display tile and pick the recommended resolution or one close to the monitor's native value. This preserves image sharpness. Then adjust scaling to 100 or 125% depending on text size. Lower scaling can make UI small on high-resolution outputs. Make sure orientation is landscape unless you intentionally rotate, and drag the display tiles to match physical placement. Once you apply settings, watch for a confirm prompt and test with Windows to ensure icons and text look correct. You finish by fine-tuning text with clear type and adjusting color/calibration for accurate visuals. Then confirm the refresh rate. 60 Hz is typical for VGA. Lower or unstable rates can cause flicker. If you see no signal or intermittent display, reseat the VGA cable, try a different port or adapter, and reboot both devices. Finally, save a working profile or note settings so you can revert if problems persist. Test with another monitor to isolate whether the cable, port, or monitor is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.